Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to boost your online store's credibility and build trust with your customers, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into the world of Shopify apps for reviews. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, if you haven't already, create your account here in Shopify by clicking the start free trial because reviews are like gold in the e-commerce world. They build trust, increase conversion rates, and help you stand out from the crowd. Now click on it. Now once you are here, just follow the on-screen instructions, and once you are done, log in using your credentials and head over to the left side of your dashboard where it says apps. Now click on it. You would be given a lot of apps that you can search in, and the first apps that we are going to search is simply, now we need to check Yotpo. Now for those who are not familiar with Yotpo, it's basically a platform that offers features like email forms, social integration, and customized widgets. Now, from here, as you can see, the products they offer are SMS. You can reach shoppers anywhere with mobile experiences that converts, and of course, the loyalty and referral programs. But one of the best features that Yotpo offer is the reviews in UGC because basically, they collect and display customer content across the buyer's journey. So these are the authentic content generation. And from here, you can use driven data tools that make it simple for customers to give their feedback so you can turn every purchase into a review. So to be honest, I'm using Yotpo for authentic reviews for my store, one of my stores, and I can't complain because it does the job. Not only it provides user generated content or UGC to boost trust and credibility, it's very easy to use. The insights has an intuitive dashboard, and the conversion dashboard does the same effect as well. And of course, it has an option for organic and paid traffic. You can amplify the reach of every reviews. Now, if you're interested about Yotpo, log into your Shopify, and all you're gonna do is click on to log in to install, or click on install if you are already connected. And from here, you can take advantage of all these perks, stand out and search with Google seller ratings and Google shopping ads. You can connect reviews with the CMS, loyalty, and subscription product synergies. And in terms of the pricing, it's a little bit competitive. It's free, basically, but I suggest you take advantage of the growth subscription plan wherein you can take advantage of all these perks for only $15 per month. So right now I'm using the growth plan for one of my stores, and you might want to check the reviews here to help you get an informed decision. Now, the next app that we have is called Judge.me. Now, this app offers customizable review request emails and reminders. It also supports photo and video reviews like others don't have. So it could be a deal breaker for some. And it has a rich snippets for SEO. So again, from here, you can install and customize widgets. You can manage reviews. What I do is I can easily follow up on customer feedback by sending replies featuring your best reviews and launching marketing campaigns with the app partners. And again, you can collect more reviews automatically and share reviews across multiple channels. Now, if you are interested about knowing the pricing plans, it's transparent, honest, and competitive. Now it's zero free forever, and you get to have unlimited review requests, automatic installation, photo and video reviews like we have mentioned earlier, and an SEO rich snippets. But if I were you, you might want to take advantage of the awesome plan for $15 a month, and from there you can have all these perks and advantage that you can take of. drag and drop email editor, automatic reminders, reward coupons, Q&As, and again, you have a thing called Facebook social push. Now, we have a separate video discussing about Facebook social push. And if you are interested to get judged by me, you might want to go to your Shopify account, search judge.me product reviews. And once you have done that, click on to install. And you would have all these amazing benefits like fully integrated to sync reviews to and from the Shop app via Shopify Meta Object. And again, these are the pricing plans, and you might want to read the 24,000 plus reviews to help you make an informed decision. And the next app that we're going to discuss is Stamped.io. Now, it's one of the best in terms of collecting reviews, ratings, and Q&As. It integrates well with Google Shopping and it offers loyalty points for reviews. Now, from here, product reviews, ratings, and user-generated content help you to give your customers a voice and acquire new customers. And in terms of loyalty, you can have points programs, VIP tiers, and referrals, build trust with their customers, and reward them for engaging with you. Now, in terms of the reviews and loyalty, when you combine the two, when you click on view pricing, so from here you have the basic for individuals, that's like $19 per month and it's free to sign up. You get all the starter features and up to 200 monthly review requests, photo reviews, checkout reviews, and $39 free SMS credits. Now, I'm using Stamp.io to one of my client, and what we're using is their premium for professionals, and it's $49 per month, but you get to have a CSS customization for reviews widgets. You can also import Facebook reviews, which helps a lot to automate your workflow, saves you time so you can focus more on the other important things. You can have smart product recommendations and up to 3 reviews integrations. Now, if you're scaling up and you wanted to have the business for mid-size plans, why not book a demo and consult with their sales professionals to get more about Stamped.io? And if you're decided, just head over to your Shopify account, search for Stamp.io, and then click on it. Click to install or log in to install, and just a reminder that these are the pricing plans, and the 6,000 plus reviews will help you make an informed decision. Now, this is gonna be my favorite among lists. It's called Looks. Now, it specializes in photo reviews to build trust. And as you can see, customer reviews, photos, videos, referrals, social proof upsells, all in one place. And you get started free by clicking this button here. Now, Looks integrates with Instagram for user-generated content. If you're big Instagram users, you might want to check some information about Looks, if that can integrate and help your business grow, because it can convert more visual reviews, as they believe that you can reach more with easier referrals, sell more with trustworthy upsells, and you have again a customizable review request emails. Now, in terms of the pricing plans, I believe the beginners is $9, but trust me that you can launch your store and start building trust with the basics. You have these advantages over the others. And right now, one of my partners are using Scale Plan, because from here, you can grow your brand and drive more sales with a social proof marketing, which is a very huge tool and very efficient. You can remove the Looks branding and customize it as your own. You have Google Shopping, full customization, and video reviews that is not part of the beginner plan. And if you wanted to scale up and go to unlimited, you might want to check some demo from these sales professionals. And again, if you're interested to know more about looks, you need to head over to your Shopify account, search for looks review, click on it, log in to install, or click to install. From here, you can take advantage of these perks. And just a quick reminder that the pricing plans are here. It's 14-day free trial. You can cancel anytime. And the 7,000 plus reviews are gonna help you to make an informed decision. Next in our list is a app called Trustpilot. It's a well-known external review platform wherein it offers a Shopify integration to display Trustpilot reviews on your site, such as this one. And I believe you have seen one of them when you were randomly shopping online. Okay, so these are the Trustpilot reviews. And in terms of the integration, it really works seamlessly with Shopify, but of course you can use it to other platforms. And the moment you search it on your Shopify account, when you click on Trustpilot, basically the number one results are just here. Click on it. It's free plan available. You can log in to install, and these are the pricing comparison. It's free. You can have all these perks and benefits that you could take advantage, but I suggest you go to the standard plan. It's $250 per month, but you get to have an ad-free profile, 500 review invites, 8 Trustbook widgets, advanced analytics, marketing assets, and a customer success support in case you encounter any problems along the way. Now, the 105 reviews are more than enough for you to take consideration installing Trust Review pilots. Okay, so here's a tip for you. Remember to consider your specific needs, such as whether you prioritize photo or video reviews, integration with social media, or compatibility with other marketing tools. Additionally, always check the latest views, ratings, and features update on the Shopify App Store. Now, when you go here in the App Store, basically, you can see a small icon that the specific apps are built for Shopify. Now, if you don't want to have like second guessing on your store, you might want to search for all these icons here so that it'll gonna be easier for you to integrate that in your store. Now, if you are using a different platforms, you might want to consider the other alternatives available on your account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.